Pros: excellent build quality, solid metal construction, feels like premium gear, flawless performance, snaps together in seconds, secure locking mechanism, no wobbling or slippage, fast, reliable mounting, great value for money, affordable high-end competitor, very easy to use. Sturdy and stable, includes safety tether loops, handles heavy gear easily, streamlines shooting. Workflow: Arca Swiss compatible, works with Peak design plates, small and lightweight. Universal camera compatibility, swift attachment and detachment. Cons: a bit expensive in my opinion, requires specific mounting at an angle, small footprint might concern some users, needs manual locking of the button, generic ones require more screwing effort. Features: 1/4 and 3/8 threaded holes, Arca Swiss interface, compatible with cameras and tripods, works with gimbals, includes 2 Arca-type plates, includes 1 quick release clamp. The PGYTECH quick release plate clamp offers exceptional value and performance, blending a solid metal construction with a premium feel that ensures sturdy, wobble-free mounting for heavy gear. Its standout features include seamless Arca Swiss and Peak design compatibility, a secure locking mechanism with safety tether loops, and a design that significantly streamlines shooting workflows through swift attachment. While it is highly reliable and easy to use, some users may find the price point slightly high and the specific angled mounting requirement a bit of a learning curve. Additionally, the small footprint and the need for manual button locking are minor considerations compared to the efficiency and stability it provides over generic alternatives.